Murudeshwar Temple is a sacred and iconic destination on the southwestern coast of India. This ancient temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Surrounded by the tranquil waters of the Arabian Sea, this site offers a perfect blend of devotion, art, and nature. Murudeshwar Temple's roots trace back to the epic Ramayana. It is said that Ravana, the demon king, received the Atmalinga from Lord Shiva to gain invincible powers. Deceived by the gods, Ravana inadvertently placed the linga here, making this land sacred. The temple was later built to honor this divine tale, attracting millions of devotees each year. The temple's towering gopuram stands out, a remarkable 20-story structure rising 237 feet into the sky. It was completed in 2008 and it is the second tallest gopuram in India. There is a lift service inside which takes the visitors to the 20th floor where they can catch the stunning views of the Shiva statue and the mesmerizing Arabian Sea. The iconic 123-foot tall statue of Lord Shiva is one of the largest Shiva statues in the world. The temple we see today was built in the 16th century by a local chieftain named Lord Shiva. Later, the temple was renovated and expanded by several rulers, including the Vijayanagara Empire, the Kaladi Naikas, and the Wadiyar dynasty.